This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility: German residency, valid ID, and Steuer ID. Once ready, download the Trade Republic app and complete camera-based ID verification. This is fast but needs good light. Next, link a DE IBAN for deposits. That enables instant transfers and SEPA payouts. Make sure your phone accepts push notifications for authentication. These steps unlock account creation and onboarding, so do them now. They are the smallest friction point between you and placing your first order. Once your ID clears, fill in your profile, employment, income range, and investment horizon. This shapes suitability checks. Then deposit via SEPA or instant transfer. SEPA takes 1 business day. Instant is immediate but may have limits. After funding, set up a savings plan if you want automated buys, choose frequency and amount. Also configure order limits and push confirmations so you avoid surprises. These middle steps establish your trading permissions and recurring strategy, making execution predictable. And you now place your first trade. Decide market versus limit orders, verify price, and confirm the small flat fee per trade. Once executed, monitor holdings and enable tax export for capital gains and dividend reports. Trade Republic issues year-end documents helpful for filing. If anything fails, ID retry, stuck transfer, or missing deposit, first recheck your IBAN and photo clarity, then contact in-app support with screenshots. That quick troubleshooting path resolves most problems. Stay patient and document each step for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.